Hello and welcome. My name is Morgan Stallings, Director of Marketing for Fendt in North America. I want to thank everyone out there for joining today. I first want to say a big thank you to our current Fendt customers watching. We thank you for your business, and we are honored to partner with you to improve your farm operations. For non-Fendt customers, we are glad to have you on as well. We hope you find this session informative, and we hope to have you join the Fendt family in the near future. Today we will cover a lot of big announcements for Fendt in North America. We will first start with some background on Fendt history, including how the Fendt brand has evolved to where it is today, both globally and specifically here in North America. Then we will dive right into Fendt Tomorrow, where we will highlight some big announcements for Fendt in North America. Throughout this broadcast, please utilize the chat function and we will get you answers to your questions. Again, we are glad to have you on this journey with us. It's Fendt and it's time.
Some call it history. For us, they are values. Tractor production in Marktoberdorf, Germany began in 1930. With a 6-horsepower strong diesel Ross small tractor with cutter bed and mounted plow, the brand Fendt was created, and right from the start, it stood for exceptional products and quality. The legendary diesel Ross was further developed and continuously gained popularity. By 1949, the Fendt factory was producing 20 diesel Rosses every month. Since then, Fendt has been setting milestones. From carriers to the Machine Series Farmer and Favorite, to the technology that revolutionized the high horsepower tractor business globally, the Vario CVT transmission. And there, where it all began, we still have our roots today. The Fendt Forum in Marktoberdorf is a one-of-a-kind visitors and education center to learn about the latest technology and innovation from Fendt. All Fendt wheel tractors are manufactured where it all began, in Marktoberdorf, Germany. Fendt Ideal combines are manufactured in Breganz, Italy. The Fendt 900 and the 1100 Vario MT Series track tractors are produced in Jackson, Minnesota. And the Fendt Momentum planter is produced in Beloit, Kansas. At Fendt, we don't just strive to meet customer expectations, but always to exceed them. This starts with the research and development phase. Insight, experience, feedback, and innovation are all core tenets of the development process as we work to invent solutions that will take customer performance to new levels. But when the product begins to take shape, we have our feet firmly planted on the floor. Only one thing is more bitter than cold reality: a test in our full vehicle test bed. There, we simulate the hardest working conditions. Only if it proves itself here is it released for use. Some call it quality. For us, it is the Fendt standard. Flawless products, a quality guarantee for our customers. The permanent function and quality checks throughout the whole manufacturing process provide this assurance. And we produce nearly all components in-house. Whether gears, shaft, or shell, virtually all the components of the Vario transmission are produced in Marktoberdorf, and of course, also tested with state-of-the-art measurement technology. Even the smallest in precision is a big deal for us. Components for the Vario transmission are tested for residual particles in the micrometer range in our own particle laboratory to reduce the residues to a minimum. The Vario transmission is the heart of the Fendt. We don't accept any compromise there. Through integrated production processes and the use of robotic systems, perfect processing of the individual components is guaranteed and is very strictly checked. A 5-axle laser checks all the hoods with the aid of 3D measurements. Using RFID technology, we always know precisely where all the parts are located within the factory. Smart glasses support the employees during quality assurance. They give more than 60 defined test points on as well as in the cab. Efficient and direct. With the aid of ultrasound technology, our employees uncover every little error. In addition to the numerous standard test benches throughout the whole process, There are 10 quality gates where our staff perform a very precise extra intermediate check of the component source systems, visual condition, optional equipment, installation and processing. Also, as functional tests, everything is ready. At the end of production, everything comes to light. With 2,400 LED illuminants, every individual tractor is subject to a final inspection. The result? Our Fendt standard. While Fendt is rapidly expanding in North America, it's certainly not new to North America. In 1997, AGCO completed the acquisition of the Fendt brand and since has been selling and supporting the Fendt lineup in North America. But it's more than just the product lineup that's expanded. AGCO North America has made a concerted effort to expand the Fendt dealer network. As part of this expansion, we've placed critical emphasis on defining and enhancing the customer experience to help ensure that the Fendt customer experience is one of excellence and is consistent no matter where you purchase a Fendt. Today, operating out of more than 200 dealer locations across North America and counting, our dealer network represents the very best in customer support. And with industry-leading parts fill rates in North America, customers can purchase Fendt products from any of our dealers with the confidence that they're not only buying a product that delivers a better return on investment, but exceptional support to keep them up and running. The exceptional reputation, customer loyalty, and value that Fendt had long since represented in Europe and other parts of the globe was recognized by customers in North America. And where Fendt was sold and supported, it was very successful. Over the years, the Fendt product line has continued to evolve. The introduction of the Fendt 1000 series, the largest and most fuel-efficient fixed-frame tractors in the world, marked a considerable turning point for Fendt in North America. Since, AGCO has continued to expand its product portfolio under the Fendt brand in North America. The introduction of the Fendt Ideal Combine, which features unparalleled capacity at 485 bushels grain tank and 6 bushels per second unload rate, and automated harvesting technology with Ideal Harvest. The introduction of the row-croppable Fendt 900 Gen 6 Series tractors, featuring our low-rev engine concept, Vario drive transmission, and Vario grip, providing customers with reduced fuel consumption, reduced slip, and greater comfort. The introduction of the Fendt Momentum Planter, with its load logic system, vertically contouring toolbar, high capacity, and integration of precision planting components right from the factory, Momentum will set the bar for planter accuracy no matter the terrain, and the introduction of the world's most adaptable tractor, featuring the all-new Fendt 1 operating system, the Fendt 700 Gen 6 Series. One of the greatest contributors to the success of Fendt in North America has been the quality and reliability of the products. Not only does Fendt represent excellence in the product, but also in its customer support. All Fendt products in North America, including Ideal Combines and Momentum Planters, come standard with our Gold Star Customer Care Program. On tractors, this includes a 3-year or 3,000-hour full warranty, plus all scheduled maintenance, plus a loaner guarantee, and through Gold Star Plus, customers can extend that offering to as long as 5 years or 5,000 hours. The Gold Star Customer Care Program reduces the risk for customers when switching brands, helps customers manage variable expenses over the life of the machine, reduces customer downtime, and helps increase resale value. This is a huge reason for Fendt's excellent customer retention rates and why used Fendt tractors don't stick around long. And the best is yet to come. Quality, efficiency, reliability, excellence, and passion are all values of the Fendt brand. These values help guide the decisions we make, the products we develop, and the dealers we partner with, and we're confident that after the corn is planted, the hay is raked, the TMR is mixed, the fertilizer is spread, the crop is harvested, and the field is tilled, and the data is analyzed, that our customers will have experienced these values on their farm, because it's Fendt, and it's time.
One thing that you learn while supporting farmers is that almost everything in a farmer's life is big. Farmers think big in how they run their operations, dream big in the future plans for their operation, and care big for the people that they serve. When it comes to machinery, many farmers have come to know that bigger is not always better. But when you match something that is bigger with the ability for more control, more operator comfort, and more precise systems, well, that is when bigger really does become better. That is why we have developed a tractor that is not just big in terms of the 670 horsepower it produces, but provides operators more control with an industry-leading transmission, new suspension elements for the best operator comfort, and more intelligence through the use of cutting-edge precision agriculture technologies. Introducing the Fendt 1100 Vario MT, the first Fendt track tractor in North America and the biggest Fendt tractor yet. Offered in 4 models ranging from 510 horsepower to 670 horsepower, the Fendt 1100 Vario MT will serve a variety of applications from deep tillage in California to field preparation throughout the Midwest and seeding throughout Western Canada, just to name a few. The Fendt 1100 Vario MT has been designed to not only provide the best 2-track tractor in the market, but also provide a new option for traditional articulated tractor and 4-track tractor customers alike. With features including an efficient MAN engine with Fendt ID low engine speed concept, a Vario Drive CVT transmission, and the Bosch 116 gallon per minute hydraulic system, the Fendt 1100 Vario MT has been built with uptime in mind and offers commonality to a number of Fendt high horsepower tractors already in the market. Big performance isn't just the result of the new powertrain and hydraulic system, but is also delivered through new features like our hydraulically controlled drawbar with automated controls, a programmable steerable 3-point hitch, as well as the new load leveling suspension system known as Smart Ride. Just like all other Fendt products, the Fendt 1100 Vario MT will be backed by the Fendt Gold Star Customer Care Program with a 3-year or 3,000-hour warranty, including the parts and labor for all scheduled maintenance intervals during this time period. Gold Star Plus packages are also available for the Fendt 1100 Vario MT. As you can see, the Fendt 1100 Vario MT is something big and is perfectly fitting of the Fendt name it carries. Here to tell us more about the Fendt 1100 Vario MT is Daniel Smith. Daniel, now over to you to see what more big things are in store with the Fendt 1100 Vario MT.
Hi, I'm Daniel Smith, Marketing Specialist for Fendt Tractors in North America. Thanks for joining me as we dive a little deeper into the features and options of the new Fendt 1100 Vario MT series tractors. The Fendt 1100 Vario MT will be offered in 4 models: the Fendt 1151, 1156, 1162, and the Beastly 1167 Vario MT. The horsepower for these models will range from 510 to 670 maximum horsepower. Once in the cab, you will quickly feel right at home as the cab utilizes the same intuitive and color-coded controls as found in other Fendt tractors. Customer favorites such as the Profi multifunction joystick and 10.4-inch terminal allow operators to easily configure and control features such as Fendt Guide, hydraulics, powertrain functions, and implement automation features, among others. With Fendt Connect, users can easily manage and transfer machine data for complete vehicle management. The Fendt 1151, 1156, and 1162 Vario MT will be powered by a 6-cylinder 15.2-liter MAN engine, and the 1167 is powered by a 16.2-liter MAN engine. At 670 constant horsepower, boasting over 2,300 foot-pounds of torque, the 1167 can handle the largest discs, rippers, grain carts, or air seeders in the market. Regardless of the size, both engines have been designed to deliver maximum torque between 1100 and 1400 engine RPM. This low engine speed concept has become very popular with Fendt tractors using the MAN engine, as it produces tremendous power and torque at a very low engine speed, which reduces wear and tear on the engine, in-cab noise levels, fuel consumption, all while increasing the reliability of the powertrain components. An electronically controlled, hydraulically driven fan conserves more power to pull your demanding implements. At the heart of every Fendt tractor is our Vario CVT transmission. The new 1100 Vario MT series is no different and features the latest evolution of the transmission, Vario Drive. The Vario Drive transmission provides infinite speed ranges from 65 feet per hour to 25 miles per hour, allowing this big machine to be fine-tuned to deliver the precision speed for the implement. With Vario Drive and TMS, or Tractor Management System, the tractor will automatically find the right engine speed and gear ratio to maximize performance but minimize fuel consumption, and it's really easy to use. The mobile track system has always provided customers with an exceptional ride. Now paired with our new low-rev engine concept, Vario Drive transmission, and the new suspension elements, the 1100 Vario MT delivers big on ride quality. Let's take a closer look at these suspension elements. First, the industry-leading pivoting midwheels absorb rough and uneven terrain. Second, the Smart Ride hard bar suspension provides a level platform as well as takes the shock out of bigger bumps and oscillations to give the operator a smooth ride. Third, the optional cab suspension takes ride quality to the next level by removing vibrations as well as fore and aft movement. But it's not just about big power, it's also about having the right power to weight ratio. With a base weight of 41,700 pounds and a maximum ballasted weight of 59,000 pounds, the 1100 Vario MT has been designed to allow the customer to put the weight where they want it. Multiple ballasting options will be available on this tractor, including the new front monoblock weight, allowing the user to easily add and remove weight when needed. All new to this machine are drive wheel weights to further enhance the ballasting and infield performance for drawbar only applications. Now let me show you something that's really cool. We call this Smart Ride Plus. Using two optional hydraulic cylinders, the tractor can be leveled depending on ballast and implement load to maintain a correct implement and hitch alignment for improved infield performance as well as ride quality. Speaking of tracks, the track system of the Fendt 1100 Vario MT features a 118-inch wheelbase while having the versatility to achieve gauge widths from 88 inches to 120 inches. This tractor is available from the factory with 4 track sizes from 18 inches to 36 inches. The 1100 series is also big on implement control. With up to 8 available SCV valves that can be powered by an optional 116 gallon per minute hydraulic pump, this tractor ensures that the hydraulic requirements of even the most demanding implements are met. The 3-point hitch design can lift over 20,000 pounds. In addition to lift capacity, we also have better control over the position of our implement with our steerable 3-point hitch. In the drawbar only model, the optional hydraulically controlled swinging drawbar will swing 28 degrees to the left or to the right for best turning performance. Controlled from the cab, the hitch swing can be either set to manual control or set to auto mode, making this operation simple and effortless to the operator. Up to 670 horsepower, powered by our low-rev MAN engine, provides greater torque at lower operating costs. The Vario Drive transmission provides smooth, seamless, and easy operation with up to 25 miles per hour road speed. In-cab controls that are extremely user-friendly, intuitive, and integrate our latest technology. New mobile track and cab suspension elements for a better ride. A load leveling system to reduce slip. New 3-point and drawbar options for better implement control. And lastly, a larger hydraulic system delivering up to 116 gallons per minute of dedicated hydraulic capacity. Our customers have big expectations, and now there's a track machine that delivers on those expectations. The all-new Fendt 1100 Vario MT series. It's Fendt and it's time.
Fendt has grown from a brand that only offered wheel tractors to a brand that now offers solutions for the harvesting and planting applications. And now today, we take the next step in offering a complete product line for professional producers throughout the North America region. Introducing the Fendt 900 Vario MT. The Fendt 900 Vario MT combines AGCO's years of leadership in the track tractor industry with the cutting-edge features found throughout the Fendt tractor portfolio. The Fendt 900 Vario MT is prepared to further the Fendt product line in reaching the growing range of applications and farming practices throughout our region. A perfect match for the tasks of row crop farmers, vegetable farmers, and all crops in between, the Fendt 900 Vario MT is the most capable track tractor of its size. The Fendt 900 Vario MT will be the go-to tractor for customers who desire an easy-to-operate machine that is light on the soil and delivers unparalleled comfort. Whether it is getting in the field sooner at the beginning of the year or staying in the field longer at the end of the season, the construction of the Fendt 900 Vario MT provides farmers the flexibility to work in multiple applications and at the right time. Back to the basics. The 900 Vario MT's power to weight ratio, combined with its mobile track design, offers customers a lighter footprint when compared to similar size front wheel assist or track machines. This reduces your compaction. What will come as a surprise to those familiar with track tractors is the outstanding ride comfort offered by the Fendt 900 Vario MT. Oftentimes compared to the farm owner's pickup truck, the 900 Vario MT combines various suspension elements optimized to the vehicle design to provide exceptional ride comfort even for the most sensitive operators. Featuring the industry-renowned Profi joystick, the 900 Vario MT pairs exceptional operator controls with outstanding operator comfort and unmatched flexibility, allowing you to farm when you want to farm. Further separating itself from all track tractors that have come before it is Fendt Gold Star Customer Care Program. The Fendt Gold Star Customer Care Program maintains the 3-year or 3,000-hour warranty, including coverage of all manufacturers' maintenance intervals during that same time period. When owning a Fendt, you are never alone, as all Fendt tractors are backed by our industry-leading loaner support program if your tractor will be down for more than 48 hours. With the best features in the industry and the best customer experience program available, it is easy to see what make the Fendt 900 Vario MT a Fendt. Let's now jump over to Daniel Smith, who has more details on the Fendt 900 Vario MT, and see what you can expect from this exciting addition to the Fendt product line.
Hi, I'm Daniel Smith, Marketing Specialist for Fendt Tractors in North America. At Fendt, we've traditionally been known for exceptional quality, efficiency, and excellence with our high horsepower wheel tractors. Now those same values are extended with the introduction of our new Fendt 900 Vario MT series. The Fendt 900 Vario MT will be offered in 3 models of 938, 940, and Fendt 943 Vario MT, ranging from 381 to 431 constant engine horsepower. In the cab, you will quickly feel right at home thanks to the common control layout, including the Profi joystick and the 10.4-inch terminal found on other Fendt tractors. Operating the 900 Vario MT is easy with the multifunction joystick on the right-hand armrest. This joystick will allow the user to have the ability to control speed and direction of travel, control hydraulics, hitch functions, powertrain functions such as cruise control, and headland vehicle and implement automation using the teach-in buttons. Teach-in will allow a user to configure and define multi-step headland operations and perform them from a simple push of one button. For an increased level of automation, users can unlock Auto TI with the TI headland feature. This will allow teach-in sequences to be performed automatically at field headlands based on GPS reference position. Color coding from other Fendt tractor models is maintained on the armrest controls of this tractor. Features are color-coded by function. Some examples of this include blue for hydraulics and orange for powertrain, enabling a more intuitive user experience. Monitor and manage the Fendt 900 Vario MT remotely to optimize machine performance regardless of machine location or operator through our Fendt Connect telematics system. The 900 Vario MT series features the proven AGCO-powered 9.8-liter Tier 4 final engine. And similar to other Fendt tractors, the engine is also designed with a low engine speed concept, producing high torque levels at low engine RPMs for low fuel consumption and quiet operation. An electronically controlled, hydraulically driven fan provides greater cooling capacity, utilizing less power. And with the optional reversible fan, front grille cleanout can happen with the push of a button. The 900 Vario MT doesn't just deliver exceptional operating efficiency, but also provides customers with an agronomic advantage. The power to weight ratio and mobile track design provide for an average of just over 11 PSI. That's roughly a 25% advantage versus the conventional front wheel assist tractors. Its low PSI levels means less compaction and greater yield potential for our customers. At the heart of every Fendt tractor is the Vario CVT transmission, and the 900 Vario MT features the latest evolution of this transmission with Vario Drive. The Vario Drive transmission provides infinite speed ranges from 65 feet per hour to 25 miles per hour. The tractor management system software seamlessly coordinates engine speed and gear ratio to produce the desired ground speed. Fendt track tractors are not just known for their low compaction, but also their ride quality, whether in the field or traveling down the road. And this tractor is no different. The Fendt 900 Vario MT's predecessors pioneered the best ride in the industry with 3 separate suspension elements. First, the pivoting mid-wheels absorb the initial bumps and thumps. Second, the Smart Ride hard bar suspension takes shocks out of bigger field inputs, as well allow for side-to-side oscillation to give the operator a level platform. Third, the optional cab suspension takes the ride quality to the next level by removing vibrations and fore and aft movement. One of the most important factors with regards to ride quality and performance of a track tractor is ballasting. With maximum ballasted weight of up to 41,000 pounds from an unladen base weight of 33,400 pounds, this machine provides an abundance of ballasting options. A 2,700 pound monoblock can be fitted alone with options to add 4 or 10 suitcase weights to help the balance of the machine. In addition to front weights, 8, 16, or 28 idler weights can also be added to fine-tune the ballasting of this tractor. At the back of the 900 Vario MT is a Category 3 Ford narrow quick hitch supported by a rear 3-point with 19,500 pounds of lifting capacity over the complete range of motion. Also at the back of this tractor are the optional 6 hydraulic SCV valves powered by an optional hydraulic pump with 116 gallons per minute of hydraulic flow, ensuring that even the most demanding implements will have adequate hydraulic flow. Power Beyond, dual low pressure returns, and dual motor K-strain couplers are also available from the factory for operations running large hydraulic motors. For even greater hydraulic flow capabilities, all valves can be optionally fitted with 3/4 inch fittings featuring 45 gallons per minute of hydraulic flow. So what are you looking for in a high horsepower tractor? A machine that reduces compaction for higher agronomic benefit? A machine that provides unprecedented ride quality, both in-field and down the road? A low rev engine concept, which reduces fuel consumption and reduces wear and tear on your engine? A Vario Drive transmission for seamless operation up to 25 miles per hour? The best support program in the industry with Fendt Gold Star. Look no further than the 900 Vario MT series from Fendt. It's Fendt and it's time.
agriculture, there are a number of variables that farmers must consider. Which crops to produce, when to harvest, and which operators to hire, just to name a few. But with so many variables, there are a number of constants that connect each one of these operations. Customers are always looking for new technologies that provide them a competitive advantage, new solutions that help them to better adapt to changing environments, and nearly every farm you walk onto has the need for a tractor that can be used year-round in a variety of applications. What if there was a solution that addressed all of these in one? A solution that allows farmers to continuously transform their operation, making the necessary adjustments to produce a better yield while using less inputs and allowing them to capture new business opportunities, increasing their overall profitability. In 1930, Fendt introduced its first diesel Ross tractor. Over the 90 years, Fendt has been pioneering innovations and new concepts, like the Vario CVT transmission, the front axle suspension, and VarioGrip, the first tire pressure inflation system, all of which push the boundaries of what farmers know to be possible. We're now once again revolutionizing what it means to operate equipment and setting a new precedent of a customizable user experience. I would like to introduce to you the all-new Fendt 700 Gen 6 series of tractors. Step into the cab of the all-new Fendt 700 Gen 6 series and you'll immediately realize this is a whole different experience. An operating environment that, simply put, is number one. Fendt was the first tractor brand to introduce a multifunction armrest and has now redefined the operation of a tractor with Fendt 1. Fendt 1 allows for easy oversight of the machine operation through the standard 10-inch customizable dash panel and 12-inch touchscreen terminal, with the option of an additional 12-inch touchscreen terminal for oversight and control, unlike anything available on the market today. The new multifunction armrest allows for operators to customize the control layout, ensuring the machine can be operated in the way that they find to be the easiest and most efficient way possible. With 6 models and a horsepower range of 140 to 240 engine horsepower, a number of optional features that allow customers to better adapt to a wide variety of applications, a minimum track setting of 62 inches, and of course, our Cargo Profi loader system that features the most user-friendly and smart loader technology in the market. The Fendt 700 Gen 6 allows customers to go from loader work to tillage work to row crop applications to hay and forage work to front 3-point hitch mounted applications, all in one. Let's now head over to Daniel Smith, who is with the Fendt 700 Gen 6. Daniel, can you take us through what really makes this tractor number one and why it is the most adaptable tractor in the world today? Daniel, take it away.
Thanks, Andrew. I'm Daniel Smith, Marketing Specialist, Fendt Tractors in North America. Andrew mentioned the new 700 series provides users with more adaptability, greater operating efficiency, and unprecedented user experience. Let me show you why. Let's go ahead and get this demo started. As you enter the cab, you will immediately see what really makes the Fendt 700 Gen 6 stand out, the Fendt 1 operator station. This new Fendt 1 operator station will bring users unprecedented customization of in-cab displays and operator controls to produce a truly unique way of operating this tractor, all while maintaining the precision ag technologies expected on a Fendt tractor today. Starting off our tour of the Fendt 1 cab is the standard 10-inch digital dashboard mounted to the steering column. This digital dashboard will showcase critical tractor information such as speed, operational warnings, and operational data, but also has the unique ability of displaying user-selected information carried over from the other in-cab terminals. Moving to the right, you will find the 12-inch full-color touchscreen armrest display that comes standard with all Fendt 700 series tractors. This screen will allow you to visualize all setup and vital operating data such as hydraulics, fence guide, hitch control, lighting controls, as well as the ability to customize both the on-screen layouts and armrest control elements. For increased display area, to view more information, an optional 12-inch display can be added. When not being used, this display can be partially retracted into the roof, showing just the bottom half of the screen, while allowing increased visibility to the outside of the cab. Operating these displays is easier than ever before with a simple setup menu allowing a user to easily navigate to screens with a minimal number of button clicks. Navigating the multiple displays is now even more efficient through the use of the push dial control on the right side of the armrest. This push dial will allow the user to control buttons within the screen as well as fine-tune or adjust the settings and parameters even while moving through bumpy fields. Moving to the side of the armrest, the new and improved multi-function joystick found in the Fendt 1 cab. This joystick provides an ergonomically designed shape with increased operator controls all at a finger's reach. This serves to increase operator comfort and productivity by decreasing operator strain. This joystick is used to perform a number of functions such as vehicle direction and speed, hydraulic controls, isobus controls, and headland automation, as well as engine and transmission controls, and even has 4 freely assignable functions as indicated by the white buttons to totally customize the user experience. Speaking of the white buttons, this is a good time to overview color coding found within the armrest controls of the Fendt 1 cab. As mentioned earlier, what makes this armrest truly unique is that all of the white buttons can be freely assigned to allow the user to configure the function they would like to control with the button. Certain freely assignable buttons will come pre-assigned from the factory. If they are not edited, the button will have an indicator showing what the button is assigned to. If a user changes the assignment, the indicator icon will go away and the side of the LEDs will indicate the function group that is chosen. Color coding remains very much the same as other tractors within the Fendt lineup. Orange buttons control powertrain functions, blue controls hydraulics and 3-points, yellow buttons will control PTO functions, and teal controls will have isobus and TCHN functionality. At the center of the armrest is our 3L joystick. This customizable joystick allows an operator to easily control the Fendt 700 Gen 6 series tractor with loader applications. This joystick features a freely assignable button that is factory configured with a reverser button on it. This tractor is also standard equipped with a left-hand reverser as well as foot pedal, making this an easy to operate loader tractor. Now let's step outside to see a couple of the other great features that the 700 Gen 6 series of tractors provides the North American market. One of the great features with the Fendt 700 Gen 6 series tractors is they now come optionally equipped with a 5X loader with 3-valve functionality, which means we now have live third functionality with our cargo loaders. That allows operators to hydraulically control implement attachments such as this grapple bucket. The Fendt 700 Gen 6 is the most adaptable tractor in the world. One way we do this is by allowing 62-inch track settings. This is achieved through multiple tire offerings, including metric tires, as well as a wider offering of row crop compatible tires, including row crop duals from the factory. Row crop track widths, an expanded tire offering, including rear duals from the factory, live third loader functionality, and the most advanced yet intuitive operating platform in the world, Fendt 1, truly make the 700 Gen 6 the most adaptable tractor on the planet. The Fendt 700 Gen 6 series tractor. It's here, it's Fendt, and it's time.
Farming operations come in all shapes and sizes, but no matter the size, a customer's pursuit for great operating efficiency, better agronomic benefits, and adopting solutions that have a tangible impact on their return on investment stays the same. With as much time though as we are spending to make machines larger and more powerful, at Fendt we are working to make all our machines, even the smaller ones, smarter. Smarter so they can support the operator in making decisions, smarter so the machine can adjust automatically when needed, and smarter to treat plants individually rather than entire fields equally. Introducing for the first time ever to North America, the Fendt 300 Gen 4 Vario series of tractors. This agile tractor that has been supporting farmers around the world for many years will now make its mark here in North America. Not only is this tractor completely new for us in North America, but for the first time, the Fendt 300 now features a completely new operator environment with Fendt 1. The Fendt 300 series is a perfect match for livestock or dairy operations, small or large-scale hay operations, and farmers looking for the most agile tractor without compromising on the features commonly available on the industry's largest machines. The Fendt 300 series will also make the perfect addition to any farm to complete chores around the yard without sacrificing on comfort or overall versatility. The Fendt 300 series will perfectly complement the Fendt product line, providing 4 feature-packed models ranging from 100 to 132 rated engine horsepower. With the base weight just under 10,700 pounds, the Fendt 300 is light enough to gently move through barns and around sensitive fields, while maximum ballast just under 19,000 pounds makes them strong enough to handle heavy 3-point hitch-mounted implements and towed implements alike. Like all Fendt tractors, the Fendt 300 offers a wide range of equipment options, making it fully customizable to the specific needs of your operation. With an available front 3-point hitch, optional front PTO, a wide range of hydraulic options, and an available Fendt cargo front loader, the 300 series carries on the tradition of adaptability and versatility known for throughout the Fendt product line. The Fendt 300 has also been built with comfort in mind. Featuring an available air-suspended cab, this tractor offers features way out of its league. With the Fendt 1 cab, available on the 300 series, operators can get the greatest control and utmost customization from any tractor on the market. Featuring the 10-inch front dash and up to 2 12-inch touchscreen terminals, the Fendt 300 provides clear oversight of all critical operations. With the multifunction armrest in the cab, introduced earlier this year on the Fendt 700 Gen 6, operators will have the ability to customize the controls to their specific way of operating. These tractors will also come with the option for our Gold Star Plus, an extended warranty for 5 years or 5,000 hours. We have all heard the saying that good things come in small packages, and the Fendt 300 Gen 4 is no exception to this common phrase. The Fendt 300 Gen 4 will be available for pre-sales starting Q3 of 2020. It's Fendt, and it's time.
Hello, my
My name is Kevin Forth, and I'm the Combine Marketing Manager for North America. As you saw from the meeting invite, something big is coming, and we weren't just referring to the Fendt 1100 Vario MT Series tractor. When Ideal was first introduced 2 years ago, it was launched with one simple goal in mind: increase harvesting productivity for growers. I don't need to tell you, but this is increasingly important as our customers face all kinds of variables that impact their ability to grow profitably. Erratic weather patterns, decreased commodity prices, increased input cost, and labor shortages, just to name a few. At the end of the day, it's all about bushels in the bin, the quality of those bushels, and hopefully getting those bushels sold at the right price. I've asked several growers, what would your perfect combine look like? I'll paraphrase the response I often get. They say it can harvest over 5,000 bushels per hour, it can think for me, no loss out the back, never any stems, stalks, cracks, or pods in the bin, and it rides like my Denali truck. And most importantly, it never breaks down. Our Ideal Combine has touted a lot of big features that help growers achieve that goal. The dual helix twin rotor design at 16 feet long, the longest rotors in the industry, to provide more threshing and separation area that is gentle on the crop. The Streamer 6.0 unloading system, featuring a 485 bushel grain tank and 6 bushel per second unload rate. When compared to the average combine in the market, that saves over 16 hours of unload time per season on a 3,000 acre farm. Our Gold Star Customer Care Program, a standard 3-year or 1,200 hour full machine warranty, plus all scheduled maintenance, plus a loaner guarantee, and 3 years of Fendt Connect to help customers manage their variable expenses and provide more uptime during harvest. It's not often you get to say this, but it's my pleasure to introduce to you the biggest combine in the world, the all-new Fendt 10 and Fendt 10T. This combine will provide growers with an unprecedented ability to harvest more efficiently, and harvest faster without sacrificing quality. The new Ideal 10 and 10T is making its official North American debut now. We have our first marketing unit here, and we'll be working with Ideal dealers in areas with high industry opportunity for this size combine to demo throughout the fall. The order writing and pre-sale program for this combine opens up on August 15th, with first deliveries scheduled for Q1 of 2021. Not only am I pleased to introduce you to the biggest combine in the world here today, but also the biggest combine guy in the world, not in size, but in his knowledge and passion, our Ideal Combine Marketing Specialist, Zach Stayskull. Zach?
Thanks for the introduction, Kevin. I'm Zach Stayskull, Combine Marketing Specialist at AGCO, and I'm really excited to visit with you here today about how the newest addition to the Ideal series of combines is going to help growers achieve even greater productivity on their operations. As Kevin mentioned, this new Ideal 10 and 10T is designed to harvest more and to harvest more efficiently. Let's take a look at what differentiates this from every other combine out there. First off, the new Ideal 10 is rated at a beastly 790 max engine horsepower and is powered by a MAN Tier 4 final 16.2 liter engine, the same engine that will be featured in the top models of the new 1100 Vario MT series. This is still 100 horsepower larger than what John Deere is touting as their new Class 11 machine, which is rated at 690 horsepower. Class sizes don't matter though, capacity does, and this new Ideal 10 doesn't just boast top-of-the-line horsepower, but also top-of-the-line capacity to ensure that the horsepower gets put to good use. When comparing separation area, the Ideal 10 is 10 square feet larger than the new John Deere X9 series. So when you equip an Ideal 10 with a 16-row chop, 18-row head, or a 50-foot flex draper, you're actually going to be able to cover more acres faster without sacrificing crop quality or loss. The cleaning capacity has also improved as we're introducing what we're calling wave pans to the Ideal Balance system. As you may recall, Ideal Balance is a very simple catch pan design that features 2 pans that evenly distribute the material over the cleaning shoe without adding complex active systems. The new pans are mounted in the stratification area, which allows for higher air volume to be applied to help separate MOG and improve the grain sample and cleaning performance. Not only does the new Ideal 10 feature more horsepower and capacity, but as previously launched and now available as an option on all Ideal track ride models, you can order Ideal Drive, the industry's only joystick-operated steering platform. This option provides unobstructed forward visibility and also reduces operator effort for a better user experience. So just a quick recap on the advantages of the Ideal 10 and 10T. 790 max horsepower, the largest in the industry. 48.8 square feet of total separation area, which gives the combine the ability to handle more crop without sacrificing quality or loss. An improved cleaning system design for high quality grain and sample. Ideal Drive joystick steering platform for better visibility and reduced operator effort. Our Streamer 6.0 unloading system, which features a 485 bushel grain tank with the ability to unload at 6 bushels per second, the fastest unload rate in the industry. Ideal Harvest, automatic adjustments that are made to the combine to improve harvesting efficiencies based on operator preferences. Our optional track ride system, available in 30 and 36-inch track configurations for reduced compaction, better flotation, and the ability to get into the field even in adverse conditions. And again, not only are we providing customers with a premier harvesting machine, but a premier customer support with Gold Star customer care. 3 years or 1,200-hour full warranty, plus all scheduled maintenance, plus a loaner guarantee, and 3 years of our Fendt Connect telematic services. Something big is here, folks. It's Fendt, it's Ideal, and it's time.